So welcome back, guys. In today's video we are washing the Tundra, of course, or the Tundra stuff again. This might even be as serious as possible, I don't know, but yeah, as you guys can see it, you guys can kind of see it in the storm over that way, or yeah, over there somewhere. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Other than that, let's get to washing this truck. So yeah.
Some bright morning when this life is o'er, I'll fly away to a home on God's celestial shore. I'll fly away, I'll fly away, oh glory. I'll fly away.
What am I doing over here? What am I doing here?
Just take a look at that. That looks pretty good. Pretty good to me. Good shine over it. Just needs a little bit more shine. Or a good more clean, but yeah. Still not done yet. What is it? I don't know where that came from. Oh. Sorry, somebody in the black CRV. A little bit more heavier with the rain. It's still hill. Out be scared of the rain. No, you ain't scared of the rain? Yeah, I know I ain't. You're a little more hard out here. Yeah, I know. Oh boy, guys, I'm gonna be stuck on it out here. Guys, the only thing we're using for some rednecking for this, we got it. Ratchet ramp. Because the thing come up with and stuff like that. That's just all rough here. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and put this back on real quick. Well, there we go. Got it all cleaned up. That's pretty much it. And here, over here, got my jack for working on mowers and stuff. Not really. And a big spare tire right here too. But yeah, this probably already dry rotted. Yeah, look, dry rot a little bit. It's not that great. Oh. Yeah, but anywho, if you look underneath here, I'm sure you guys something. If I can crawl in here, take a look at that. Oh, what? I don't know what happened there. That this steering column right here, dang it. Yeah, but it's pretty minty underneath here, as you guys can see. Yeah, so here's the engine right here. It's a V8, 4.7 liter. Yeah. So there's the oil right there. On the bottom everywhere. But yeah. Hopefully someday I can get that cleaned up. Maybe. I need a little bit more power steering for screwdriver right there. Yeah, but might need a little bit more power steering fluid. Pretty much. But yeah. I think pretty much good on. No, I don't have a napkin for this. Yeah, that thing's making oil. I'm gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Not much. Just I wanted to make a new part 2 of Toyota Tundra stuff, and plus I hurt my leg that much. I know you guys probably don't care that much. I have a clip right there of it. A foot kind of. I was playing some games yesterday, but yeah, it's alright though. But yeah, hopefully this can be my daily driver and everything, and I can get my license since we're getting a job, a quote-unquote real job. But yeah, anywho, I think that's pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you guys later, so bye.